So welcome back guys. In today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about learning video editing. I use the Adobe Premiere Pro. You may use any other video editing program whichever suits you. We break this video editing thing into kind of some staggered tutorials which will help you understand the process. The basic features remain the same. You import the media, you drag it onto your timeline. So there are a few things which may initially appear to be a bit confusing. But as we walk through this playlist, I hope the process would be more or less clear to all of you. So let's begin. I'll just open up my Premiere Pro. So you have many cheaper options also available. You have the Windows Movie Maker, you have Movavi and other options. I prefer this because this is actually the most advanced video editing software out there. So here you can see it's asking me whether I would be wanting to create a new project or open up a recent project that I may have saved or something. Now for purposes of this tutorial, let's try and create a new project. Like the word new implies, we are now trying to create a new project. So let's click on this new and click on project. It's asking me for giving it a default name. It's not asking for a default name for the project. I'm actually doing this for a cooking channel for my mom, and I recorded certain footages at my home while she was cooking some dishes. So just let me give this is it's a Bengali name, so you won't understand much if you're watching it overseas. And it's asking me where do I want this entire project to be located. So I've given it a path, and it's on my D drive. You can very well change the path. You can create a new path, and you can depending on where you have space available on your system, you can go ahead and do that. At this point of time, it would be wise if you can leave those options as it is. Maybe in some subsequent tutorials I'll go about explaining to you what each of this means, but as of now, I think we can safely leave that as it is on its default configurations and click on OK. Well, it takes a few moments, and there you go. Now we are presented with something that is called our workspace. So this is nothing but our workspace. So this space allows us to work with our projects. Now you can see this is totally divided into certain blocks, and each block is basically having certain significance. Today's tutorial I just want to make you understand how you would be importing media, because you see, when I'm talking about video editing, it's very logical to presume that we are to edit videos, so we need videos, otherwise which are called as media. It could be something else also, pictures also, other things also, so it's called media just to be safe. So here you can see it's written import media to start. I just double click here and it shows me all this. I can obviously, it's already showing my default path. It could be very well D. I have my video files located in D, or I think it's E perhaps. No, it's D. Let me see if I have it. Yeah. So I'm using a Nikon camera, and inside mom's thing, and here these are basically my 3 files which I need to import. So I open that, and now it's importing. So I can, for this project of mine, so this project of mine, as you can see, the name is listed right at the top. I have imported these 3 video files. Now the thing is, this thing is actually getting done. So you can see these 3 media files I have selected, but I could have very well, I just double click here, I can again go ahead and add footages, sounds, other things. So whatever I decide to have as my media, all my media heads will get clubbed here. So this part, it was more I just wanted to show you how to import media onto your video editing software. Subsequent tutorial we go about understanding what is timeline. As you can see here, we have a certain timeline, and then we can play around with media clips and everything. So stay with me as we go into all of this, and I just hope that it will help all of you understand. So I just hope that today's tutorial just puts into perspective just this first basic step of importing media onto your video editing software. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off. Have a great day and a fantabulous weekend. Thank you.